This is our turban cap. We have it in different color of your choice. They are affordable and affordable. With affordable price, we have wholesales and retails. Look at them. They are beautiful. These are autogele turban cap. You can wear it on any clothes. You can wear it on jeans, to church, to any party. You can rock it anywhere. This is our double twisting cap. One side twisting and flower. This is sequence autogele turban cap. They are also available. This is one side sequence. We have them in different color. This is also our autogele turban cap. This one is turban cap. One side rose, stony one, stony cap. They are available and affordable. All these are for your kids. They are children's cap. So we have them in different design, different colors.